Magandang hapon po ng October 7, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games sa 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 7, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, October 7, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 7, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 25 million pesos for Saturday, October 7, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for October 7, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.